What's up, everybody? It's Kicking It with Kay, and I'm sorry, we've got a Toy Story toy in the bag. Let's get rid of that. Welcome to my kids. Thought I would do what they call a mukbang, I don't know which way you say it, but I got my lunch today. It's Dairy Queen. We've got some chicken strips and some French fries and some toast, and I really don't know how to play this out, but let's get on in the video. So, I feel like this week has been super duper long. So good. I feel like it's been dragging. I cannot believe we're at the 1st of May, honestly. Like, that is insane that we've already made it through half of a year. That's crazy how much your life has changed. Yeah, you ever think about how much your life has changed over the year? Crazy. I don't have any dippity sauce. I think one day I'm going to make a video on it, but I have a condition, and I'm just like really, not really like allergic to foods, but like I just can't eat them or something, so like everything's kind of plain. It's pretty boring. I'm still really liking my car. It's probably like my most popular video right now, so I really appreciate y'all guys watching that. I've never done anything like that before, so glad y'all enjoyed it. I still have not named my car. It's just my car. My boyfriend thinks it's weird that I name my cars, but that's okay. Like this video if you also name your cars. Like, I had a car, it was a Lancer, and it was the inverted Oreo, I swear. Because it was white on the outside and black on the inside. So it was inverted Oreo. So, it's kind of funny. I don't know what else to talk to you about. Let's see. Do y'all like the uploading schedule now? Because right now I've got it at Tuesday, Thursday. Whoa, my nose ring is all jacked up right now. Hold on. I'm not picking my nose. I'm just saturating my nose ring. Do y'all like the upload schedule where it's Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, and I'm trying to make it where it's Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, and it's going to be at 10 a.m. every day? Is that a good time for y'all? I hope. I don't know, this is kind of interesting. I signed up for like a social media class pretty much, and so I'm definitely going to learn more about like how to be a YouTuber and social media influencer. So hopefully that'll help me grow my channel. I'm super excited about it. As soon as I'm done with the program, I'll let you know how I liked it. They actually have a coach with you, and they have you call like every day with your coach after you watch the videos. And it's really not expensive. It was $7 for this class. And so I'm just going along with it. Hopefully I still like it. I do have an Instagram. If you'd like to follow me there, if you're already like subscribed here and like would like to follow me there, it's called Kicking It with Kay over on Instagram. I try to post every day. Am I perfect at it? No, I'm not. I also have a job out in the real world too, so that does definitely takes up most of my time. And of course, I also have 3 kids, and so that's also a challenge. And of course, I try to have a life of myself. But of course, I'm trying to make this my life too. So, this is so good. Why do we... Dairy Queen is so underrated, I'm telling you. What's y'all's favorite fast food restaurant? Comment down below. I think my favorite fast food restaurant is Chick-fil-A for sure, which we don't have one around here, which, sad face. Like, the closest Chick-fil-A I have is like 2 hours away. But I love Chick-fil-A. Chicken Express is also really good. Oh, so good. Yum. I found all of my bandanas. I used to wear them all the time, and so I brought them out today. I really like my hair. It was really simple. I just curled my hair with the curling iron I use. That's actually in my Get Ready With Me video. The curling iron I use. That curling iron was really expensive. It was $125. It was a flat iron curling iron. Curling iron. Wow. But it was so worth it. Because it flat irons my hair and it curls my hair, and I don't have to have like one or two. I just have one. But I do that, and then all I did was put half of it back and then put my bandana in. And so I feel like, do you ever feel like you were born in the wrong decade? That's kind of how I feel sometimes. I really like the pinup kind of look, but I'm also like super country and like wear jeans and t-shirt most of the time. So good. What videos would y'all like to see from me? Because I'm at a loss too of what to make. So please, like, comment that down below too. I'd love to know what y'all want to see. What's popular. Of course, like, for me instantly, I watch a bunch of, like, vloggers and stuff. But with my lifestyle right now, I just can't do that. I just can't vlog my life. So, yeah, just tell me what y'all want to see from me. Do y'all like to sit down videos like I'm doing now? I need a straw. Give me 5 seconds. That should have not been that difficult to find a straw, but I did. But I found one. Sprite's my drink. I stopped caffeine, oh my gosh, almost 3 years ago now. And I was having some stomach issues. And so I stopped caffeine, and so now I just drink Sprite. It's carbonated still, but it's a little better for you. Please, if y'all like stuff like this, please comment below or like it. But it was great talking to y'all. I will see you on Sunday for another video. During the weekends, I definitely can record more. So I'll try to do a greater content video. But again, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye, guys.